Hi, and welcome back. So let's actually do another one of these review problems. So the problem is going to be y is equal to the log of x divided by x. And all we want to do is we want to take the derivative. We want to find what the derivative is of this expression. So if you want to pause the video and try to figure that out, now hopefully you've unpaused it, and I'm just going to change colors and just start working through this. So really, there are two ways that we can do this. We could either use the quotient rule, right? Because we've got a fraction here. We've got log of x divided by x. Or else we could rewrite this. We could rewrite this as the log of x times x to the minus 1, right? And then if we did that, we could use the product rule. And we could that. So either way works fine. In this video, I think I'm just going to use the quotient rule just because it's nice and easy, and I'm trying to keep these videos short. And I'm also trying to show you how to get through an exam quickly. So anyway, let's just use the quotient rule. And remember, the thing I always tell myself when I start using the quotient rule is I always say top prime first. So I always remembered that we take the derivative of our expression on the top of our fraction before we take the derivative of the bottom of the expression. So we start out by saying, well, what's the derivative of the log of x? Say y prime down here. What's the derivative of the log of x? It's 1 over x, right? And now, what do we do after that? We just multiply it by the bottom expression. So 1 over x times x, and you can probably see what happens here. These x's cancel. But now, after we do that, we subtract the derivative of the bottom part of our expression. What's the derivative of x? It's just 1, right? So we could just write in 1, times the top expression. So times the log of x. And then, after we do that, so we're done with the numerator of our expression, now we just divide it by the denominator squared, right? So x squared. That's our, that's doing it with our quotient rule. So now, and as you can see, hopefully, that this gets simplified. So these x's are going to cancel out, so we are left with y prime is equal to, the x's cancel, and we're left with 1 minus, we don't have to write the 1 there, so 1 minus the log of x, all of that over x squared. And that is our final answer. Hopefully, so anyway, hopefully that was useful for you, and I'm just going to keep doing more review problems. Thanks for watching.